Hey guys, as you start off assembling your cabinet, lay your back on flat, and then you will add one side, making sure that your peanuts are lined up. You're going to add your bottom, locking in your peanuts, and then you will add on your toe kick, making sure your right side and your left side are locked into place. This is really important to make sure that each part is locked in nicely. You can use a rubber mallet at this point. You can also use your fingers, as it helps to kind of make sure everything is flush. He's really making sure everything is nice and tight. See how he used his fingers just to make sure everything was flush? That's important. Once you get to that point where you feel like everything is secure, you're going to grab your web boards. There's 2 of these, so you'll assemble the one on the right, making sure that is secure, and then you will assemble the one on the left, making sure that is secure as well. Next, you're going to add your peanut boards. There's one on the right and one on the left. Locking in place, making sure it's secure. Your last step is to add your face. Being sure that the face is locked in properly, this ensures that the squareness of the box is in place. There's a lot of banging going on. We want to make sure that it's secure, making sure that this is nice and solid. He's flipping it upside down, making sure everything is as it should be. And once you get to this point, you've done it. Hopefully it goes well for you. Thanks, guys.